对位压合机。The material is automatically pressed and aligned at designated points. It solves the problems of traditional manual alignment, such as slow alignment, misalignment, high manpower requirements, and low efficiency. This improves production efficiency while reducing production costs. The microcomputer control interface allows for digital adjustment of the pressing gap through electronic control. 材料定点对位自动压合，解决传统人工对位慢、对错位、用人多、效率低等问题痛点，提高生产效率的同时降低生产成本。微电脑控制界面、压合间隙电控数码调节。